Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another thrifting video, and I know I've been doing a lot of thrifting content lately. It's just kind of what I have to share. Hopefully you guys don't mind it. Hopefully you guys really like the thrifting content. If you guys haven't seen my last video, it's my tips for thrifting video. I'll link it down below, but it's basically just a bunch of tips that I always keep in mind when I'm thrifting, and I think it's one of the main reasons why I tend to find really great things. So definitely check that video out if you do like this thrifting content and you want to start thrifting more. But this video is just going to be a quick little haul, not a ton of stuff, but still some really cool stuff that I found recently. And actually I found like another amazing item at the thrift store. And here's the thing, I was thinking, let me know if you guys would be interested in this, but I was thinking about doing a video of like my all-time favorite thrifted items, like the things that I've thrifted in the past that literally like I either use all the time or that I'm obsessed with. Like they were the best finds that I've ever found at a thrift store, because I've bought so many things at thrift stores, and I think it would be really fun to kind of show you guys like my favorite items or best finds. Let me know if you guys would want to see that, but let's go ahead and just jump into the haul part of the video. So I'm going to start out with clothes, because I actually have a lot of clothes this time. In fact, a majority of what I have for this video is clothes, if I'm being honest. So the first thing that I found was amazing. When I saw this, I was like, that is so perfect for Elena. And it was one of those items where I'm like, what brand is this? Like I have no idea, I've never heard of this brand before, but it was so like nail on the head Elena that I had to buy it. So this is the brand Riot Society, and apparently they sell this at like Urban Outfitters, Zoomies, Buckle, like those type of stores. I think PacSun also carries it. But it's this really awesome like sweatshirt t-shirt brand, and it has this little tiger on it with this writing. I'm not sure what that says, but it says Riot Society, and then it has writing down the sleeve. But Elena's like really into anime and things like that, and so this sweatshirt just screamed Elena. It kind of has like a little bit of a tattoo vibe to it, and the tag is also really cool as well. Has like palm trees on it. I don't know, but when I saw this, like, it was literally perfect for Elena. I'm pretty sure this is probably a boy's sweatshirt, but she doesn't know, she doesn't care, and I love it. And in fact, I actually went on Amazon to look up this brand, and they have adult sweatshirts that are very similar kind of to this, and I kind of want one for myself. Like, they have some really cool sweatshirts in this brand, and I really want one. So I might actually buy one for myself in like a little bit of a different style, but I just think it's so cool. Elena's been wearing this almost every single day. So next I found a pair of sweatpants, and these are the brand All in Motion, and these are actually for Elena as well. She told me recently that she wanted some more sweatpants for like loungy pajama pants, so when I found these, they were perfect. They're just basically gray pajama pants. These are in really good shape. They do not look like they've been worn, if I'm being honest. They don't look like they've been washed. Like, you know how you can just tell if something has been washed? Like, they kind of lose shape, or they get a little bit like wrinkly. These look like they're like right off the rack, like they haven't been washed at all. So these look really cool. I don't know where this brand is sold, maybe Target, Walmart maybe. I don't know if I've ever seen this brand at Walmart, but really cool, and it has little sparkles on the ties. So really cool, and she actually wanted to wear these today because it was pajama day at school, and I was like, you can't wear them, Elena, I was gonna film my thrift haul video. So yeah, she's wearing different sweats today, but I thought those were really cute. So next up was a velvet shirt that I found for myself. This is the brand Hollister. I probably haven't been to a Hollister store, and I'm not even over exaggerating, like 15 years. I do not remember the last time I went to a Hollister, but I saw this and it was so cute. It was totally my style, so I had to pick it up. So it's basically just a long-sleeved velvet crop top, but it's like a good length of a crop top. It's not too short, which I really like. This is actually a size medium, but it looks like it's gonna hit maybe right above the pants line if I wear like a high-waisted pair of pants. And I really love the crushed velvet of it. I could dress this up if I wanted, or I could dress it down if I want. But I think this is really cute, and it's very basic. You guys know me in my black and just like my basic colors. That's just totally how I am, and I feel like this is a really cool shirt. It kind of has a unique look to it because of the crushed velvet, but it's very simple at the same time. So I found this. Now I almost didn't buy this, but I was trying to style it like in my head with a bunch of different outfits, and I think that this is gonna be really cute. I don't honestly know what kind of brand this is. Like sometimes I try to just keep brands out of my mind. Like I try not to care if things are targeted towards older women or younger women, or, you know, teens or grannies. Like I try not to care at all, because it doesn't matter what the piece, like who the piece is targeted for. It all depends on how you style the piece. And I truly believe that like you can wear teenager clothes as an adult, but you can also wear clothes for like, you know, 80-year-olds, as long as you style it right. You know what I'm saying? So just like, don't limit yourself to certain sections of the store or certain stores, or I can't go into that store, it's not for me. It's not about the clothes, it's not about the target audience, it's about the piece and how you style it. I get so many comments from people that I know and people that I don't know, that I'm too old to shop at Forever 21, or you shop in the juniors section, I thought you were like 36, or that's Chico's, isn't that for like older women? It's like, it doesn't matter. It literally doesn't matter. First of all, wear what you want, and second of all, it matters how you style the piece of clothing, you know what I mean? So that is my spiel of the day. It's something I feel very passionate about, because the amount of comments that I get, and the amount of comments that I've gotten my entire existence on YouTube, it's surprising that people care that deeply about like that kind of thing. But anyways, so I don't know what brand this is, to be honest, but it's this leopard, like, it's kind of like a jacket, not like a denim jacket, it's kind of like the fabric of like khaki pants or something, and it is a very cool, just like oversized leopard print jacket, and I really love the sleeves. The sleeves are kind of baggy, I just rolled them up, and it kind of is like just wide and bulky and oversized. So I feel like maybe like a pair of black, you know, distressed denim with maybe a black cropped shirt or even a white cropped shirt, and then a pair of combat boots and this kind of over the top, or like a graphic tee underneath. I think it would look really, really cool, as long as it's just very slouchy and comfortable. But I think that there's a lot of really cool ways that I could wear this jacket, and I really, really love it. And it's a perfect like spring jacket, because spring is right around the corner. So I feel like this is a great like lightweight coat. And I also like that the bottom is frayed, so it kind of looks like it's been cut off, which I really like as well. So, and it's also snap buttons, so really cool. It also has a collar, so if you want to like pop it up a little bit, that would be cute as well. So I just think it's really cool. As you guys know, I'm like obsessed with jackets, but I actually kind of want to look up this brand, Sanctuary, designed in Los Angeles, crafted and tailored. So next up was a pair of leather pants, actually, and this is the brand Can, K-A-N-C-A-N, and these are brand new. They still have the tags on them. So these were originally $58, and I got them for $19. So they're basically just leather, they're high-waisted, and they just go all the way down. There's not a ton of detail on them, they're just very, very basic. But I really like them because A, they fit me like a glove, and B, they're really high-waisted. And I feel like they are high-end because they're originally $58, almost $60, and it has this nice little like hardware right here. I don't know, I feel like this was a good find. It's always so nice when you find a pair of pants that fit you really, really well. Now the next piece you guys have already seen, and this is the piece that I was like, oh my god, that's so amazing. And this is another one of those pieces where I'm like, okay, this is probably for like old people. I don't even know what brand it is. Catherine Malandrino. And I saw this and I was like, is that ugly or is that cute? Like, I can't tell. Like when I was at the store, I'm sitting there, I couldn't figure out if I thought it was cute or ugly. And then I put it on and I was like, that is cute. Like, that is so cute. And I showed it on my Instagram, but it is this flippin' coat, you guys. Is this not the most like gaudy but like amazing thing you've ever seen? So it's like this floral pattern, but it's like a metallic gold, which when I saw it, I was like, wow, that's kind of intense. Like, that's a lot. But I think it's so cool. I love how it's on black. And this feels kind of like a comforter. Like, you know those like comforters, like cheap comforters from Walmart that are just like cotton? That's what this feels like. Now you're probably thinking, why do you want a cheap comforter as a coat? Because it's freaking comfortable. Like, this literally feels like I'm wearing a blanket. And I like the hardware. I think what makes this work is the hardware, because it is a kind of a motorcycle cut, especially in the front with the zipper that kind of folds to the side. But like, this is definitely one of those coats where I feel like you have to style it right to make it work and make it cute. Like I said, I did a whole outfit right here, as you guys can see. And I really like it with just literally the most basic outfit ever. Like, it's almost an accessory in itself. So just like black pants, white shirt, and then this coat. And it's just so dang cute. Like, I love this thing so much. It's totally my style. And I am so glad I decided to pick it up, because I almost didn't. I almost passed on it without trying it on. And then once I tried it on, I was like, nope, I'm buying it. It's so cute. So I actually haven't found a ton of stuff for Emery lately, but I did find this swimsuit cover right here, which if you have kids, you know how important swimsuit covers are. Like, they don't wear these all the time, but like during summer when it's really sunny and you want to protect their skin, a long-sleeved swimming shirt is key. And if you just throw this over their swimming suit, you know that they're not going to get sunburnt, and it's just so nice to have a long-sleeved swimming shirt. So I always put these on her in Hawaii because Hawaii, the sun is so strong, and I just don't want them to get sunburnt. So I found this one. It's in a little bit of a bigger size. Then, of course, I got some shin guards for soccer. Telling you, always look for shin guards, and soccer shoes. I also got soccer shoes for Emery, but I can't find them. I told her to put them in a room, and I went into a room just now to look for them, and I have no freaking idea where she put them. Like, they're gone. Okay, so this next thing that I got was such a random find. So me and Travis had to stop by Goodwill really quick because he wanted to look for something specific, and he just wanted to see if Goodwill had it before we like went and bought it full price. So we stopped in Goodwill just really quickly, and I wasn't gonna buy anything. But I walked through the home decor like really quick, and I saw this sitting on the home decor section, and I was like, oh my god, that is so the aesthetic I'm going for right now in my home, and I love it. It is so cool, and I'm like, Travis, I'm buying this. And it is this, has my daughters in it. I put their picture in it. But it's this cute little like sun frame, and it kind of looks like mother of pearl, but it's not. It's just paint that looks like mother of pearl, but that's like inside the little sunbeams, and I just think this is so cool. It's such a fun little frame, and when I saw this I was like, I have to have it. Like, I can't pass that little thing up because it's so cute. So I just put a little picture of my girls in it. Yes, the picture doesn't fully fit, but like literally I couldn't find any other picture, so I just threw this one in there and called it good. So but I really like this. I think it's so cute, and I had to buy it when I saw it. I found these boots, and I wasn't too sure what I thought of them, to be honest, and I'm still kind of not sure. I've worn them one time, and I feel like these are one of those boots that like I have to kind of style and figure out how my favorite way to wear them is, because they're just kind of weird and unique, but like cool at the same time. But they're these boots, and they're these really chunky boots. They have a zipper on the front, so these could be used as like snow boots, or just like chunky like winter boots. Like, you don't even have to wear these in the snow really. But it has like fur on the inside and kind of like this quilted pattern here, and then the zipper. Now I think what sold me on this was the zipper in the front. I thought that that was a really cool detail. I wish the zipper was gold or silver. I think it would have looked a little bit cooler, but it's just black. But I kind of like these. I think they're kind of granny, but like kind of in a good way. I don't know. I'm gonna put them on for you. I'm wearing like the ugliest socks of all time, so like don't judge me. I mean, those are cute, right? They have the zipper on the front. Let me zip it. I kind of think they're cool. They're really chunky and clunky, and I love the fur on the inside. I think they're kind of neat. What do you guys think of these? Was this a good buy? I really love the square toe and just how chunky they look and heavy. I love a good like chunky boot. You know what I mean? Just like those really big boots. I just wish that the detailing was maybe gold or silver. That was my only downside to it, but I think these are pretty cool. So that is it for this video. I definitely plan to do more thrift hauls in the future, so subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And also let me know in the comments below what the best thing that you have found at the thrift store has been lately. I'd be very curious. I want to film a thrift book haul on my book channel, so if you're not subscribed to my book channel and you like to read, or you just want more of me for whatever reason, you can subscribe to my book channel, and you can see a thrifted book haul there soon. I want to film that soon just because I always buy books at the thrift store and I just love reading. So if you guys are curious about that, I'll put the link down below as well. So why am I so out of breath? Like, I feel like I'm dying. I think showing you my boot was like too much for my 36-year-old body. Anyways guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.